Today we have here is a barn light, and it's a solid barn light single pack, and it's meant for anywhere outdoors that you can light up an area and shine down on you, like a shed, a overhang, a balcony, etc. So let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. You have an instruction guide. Please go over it for details on how to set and install. You have the main unit that has the solar panel, the interior of the unit. You have the bulb that is not breakable, and it screws in right over here. To test the unit out, just simply cover the solar panel and everything is working 100%. If you ever need to check for the battery, you simply come over here. There is a door that will open up, and in here is an 18650 battery, 2000 milliamp, that can be replaced. And you have 3 screws over here that you need to take this 4th screw out. And if you ever need to check onto the circuitry, according to the instructions, that's where you would do so. You have the base that's going to be hooked up on the wall, a couple of screws, a little mount, a nut, a bar, and anchors and screws. This is the on switch. It turns on to the different brightness, 3 levels, and off. Let's remove the bulb to the side and concentrate on installing this particular piece to the unit. That's going to have a little notch that you're going to take a screw. You're going to drop it in the hole. Then I'm going to take this hole, that hole, match up, take this screw and lock it down. I have a cover that slides on, a nut that goes into the inside. I level out the way I'm going to hang it, and I tighten down. I place my bulb on. Everything's all presented, installed. Now we go outside and we hang out barn light. I'm on the brightness. I'll come back in the evening hours and we'll check it out, lighting up the area. This will get a lot of sun in a few minutes. As you can see, the sun is just about to hit it. "30 seconds, the light will go off and will detect motion once you start to move. And a good distance, as you can see, it came on and I was behind the camera walking over here. Now this is one of the modes set on, and what we're going to do is set it on to the next mode. This is off. This is on low. We'll give it some time to see how quickly it is shut down. Keeping it on low will basically stay on dusk to dawn, and we want to change it to the next level. The next level is a medium brightness, and we'll give it a couple of seconds to see if it shuts down. The second level will dim down, keep dim, and will detect motion and brighten up to the max level. So it has a dusk to dawn, it has a dim down, and it has a off and full brightness. Those are the 3 different modes. So we're going to set this up to the highest mode. That will shut the light off. That'll be at the brightest level. And I hope you enjoy your barn lamps. They collect sun all day long, and they brighten up the area in a nice warm light. enjoy your barn